You never come to a grown man's house and you tell him how he should organize his house, how he should treat his family, how he should raise his kids. You don't do that. If you don't like what's going on at that man's house, you get your shit and you leave and go back to your house. So when you visiting my Hog On Welding blog page, that's my house. This is my teaching style. I'll be real and authentic. Others might not like what I say, but that's fine because I'm gonna give you the truth. I'm gonna give it to you the bold truth because I'm out here in it. So I'm gonna give it to you as I face it and as I see it and as I know how my people has been treated and how we think. So I'm gonna break that cycle. I'm not gonna babysit you or spoon feed you no bullshit. I'm gonna tell you the truth. You can eat it or you can get someone else to mash it up for you if you think it's too strong for you to break it down so you can take it in pieces. But what I'm giving you is authentic. What I'm giving you is real. You can digest it or you can throw it up. But don't come to my house trying to tell me how to run my house. Hold on.